Most marketing agents don't have a marketing problem, they have a systems problem. Clients are scattered, tasks are everywhere, and deadlines get missed. And your team is constantly asking, what should I work on next? Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use ClickUp as a marketing agency to manage your clients, campaigns, and tasks in one simple system, even if you're just starting out or you're a solo agent. By the way, if you want to try ClickUp, I'll be leaving a link in the description which will allow you to use it for completely free. Now, let's dive in. Now, before setting anything up, you need to understand how ClickUp is structured. This makes everything easier. For instance, with ClickUp, you will be given a workspace and this will be your entire agency. So in the top left-hand corner, you can give your workspace a name. For example, I'll be calling mine Marketing. Then by scrolling down, you're going to see the option Spaces, and this will be the major parts of your agency. Inside Spaces, you're going to have lists, and this is where your work is organized, and inside the lists, you'll have tasks, and that is the actual work being done. You don't need to overcomplicate this. We're going to keep it clean and agency focused. Now, let me show you how to create your agency spaces. I want you to think of spaces as departments inside your agency. So, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you're going to tap on the plus right in line with space, and you can create, I would recommend, 3 spaces to start off. So you have the clients spaces, which would be all client work. Then you'll have the operations, which would be admin, invoices, and internal tasks. Then we're going to be creating a third space by the name of marketing. So we'll type in marketing right here. After you have typed in marketing, you're just going to tap on continue. Once you have selected continue, you can choose the starter option for the status. Then you'll just tap on create. And marketing will be where we'll add all our content, ads, and campaigns. This instantly separates your work so nothing gets mixed together. For instance, if you're running ads for a client, you don't want that sitting next to your internal tasks, do you? Okay, next step I'll be showing you is how to organize clients properly. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on clients. Inside the client option, you have 2 options. You can either create a new list by tapping on the plus, and you could call each list by a client name, or you could simply create a task, and for each task it will be a client. For this example, I create a list per client, so you can tap on the list right there. Then let's say, for example, my client is Amar, so I'll type in Amar. Then I'll tap on create. So I have 3 clients added, and I'm just going to tap on apply suggestions. As with ClickUp AI, it is going to automatically suggest some statuses that you can use, as you can see right here, based on the reason why you typed in you're using ClickUp. So you can see the different status right here. So I have Amar, Anthony, and Val. So you can create different lists for each client. Now, each client is a list, so inside each client, you can now create a task. So for example, with Amar, I can simply tap right here where you see new requests, and I could type in the new requests that they want. For example, a new campaign, deliverables, notes, and deadlines. I can fill in everything right here. So everything related to that client lives in one place. So for example, let's say Facebook campaign, I could simply type in right here, Facebook. So I'll say FB campaign. And I'll create that as a first task. Now, after you have created the task, what I want you to do is tap on the task, and you'll see a pop-up window appear. In this pop-up window, for example, you'll be able to put in the amount. And by the way, you can also edit this particular field if you want. So you can tap on the settings icon and you could edit it. So you can edit it to whatever you want. And if it is a case that you like to add a custom field to help with organization, you can do that by tapping on the plus right here. Then you'll tap on create a field and you'll just simply tap on text. After you have done that, you can give the field a name. So that's how you'll be able to create a custom field. You can also create subtasks for that particular task, and you'll be able to upload files related to that campaign. So you can upload different ad creatives, as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you're working with a team on your projects, you can go over to the right hand menu option and you could tap on at, and from there you could simply mention the teammate and you'll be able to monitor them on the different campaigns. You can also set deadlines, and this is one of the standout features when it comes onto ClickUp. For example, you can tap right where you see dates, and let's say I would like to start working on this project next week. So I'm going to select next week, and I want to start working on it next week, Monday. So I'm going to be selecting the 8th. Then the end date, I would like to finish working on this. I would like to finish working on it the 11th. I could simply select the 11th. So I'll tap right there and you can select the time that you would like to start working on it. So you can select when you would like to start and when you would like to finish. You can enter that right there. And with ClickUp, you're going to be given a notification. So for example, you will receive an email whenever you are supposed to start a particular project. So with this, you'll be able to remove missed tasks, mental overload, and constant back and forth, as you'll be able to organize everything right here. The next thing I want to show you about ClickUp is the different statuses. So this is how my status looks at the moment. What I recommend that you do is change the view. So you're going to go to the top of the page and you're going to see the option Project Pipeline. If you don't see that option, you're going to tap where you see View. And from there, you could simply select it. So you could select Gantt, for example, or what I like to use is the Kanban board view. So I'm just going to tap right there and you can see how it looks. Once you have changed the view, you'll now easily be able to move the different tasks through the different phases. So first we have new request. Then once you have started it, we'll simply pull it into in progress. Then from there, client review. Then you could move it to approved and then you can move it to complete. So you can see how that will allow you to move it across. So if you're waiting on client approval, that task goes to, as you can see right here. Now, once you have set this up, the next thing you want to do is create a dashboard. So this is what ties everything together. To create a dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you can tap on more. And you're going to see the option dashboards. You're just going to tap on dashboards. After you have tapped on dashboard, from there you can tap on new dashboard in the top right hand corner. And what I recommend that you do, you have different options that you can choose from. But I would recommend that for starters, you start off with the simple dashboard. After you have selected simple dashboard, you're just going to select all of the spaces. Then you'll tap on create dashboard. By creating dashboard, you'll be able to view all of the due tasks, overdue tasks, active client work, and campaigns in progress. So when you open ClickUp, you instantly know what needs your attention. No guessing, no overwhelm. If you want to set this up for your agency, ClickUp actually has a free plan you can start with. I've linked it in the description if you want to follow along. This is how I recommend using ClickUp as a marketing agency. Simple, organized, and scalable. You don't need 5 different tools. You need one system that keeps your clients, campaigns, and tasks in sync. Thanks for watching.